you're leaking from the base valve, or it just seems you've got a bit of a leak at the bottom. This is a G series magazine, so the first thing I'll do is take the plate off. Now all mags are different. Sometimes you get a little bit of leak from, especially on Glock mags, you get a little bit of a leak from this bottom screw. So fairly simple to do. You just get a decent fitting screwdriver, nip this up very slightly. That doesn't cure it, and it is actually the center valve, a bit more complicated for your fill valve. It might be a little bit dry. What I do is I put a couple of drops of silicone oil on it in the center of the valve, put some gas on it, and do a quick up and down purge. That re-nourishes the seal, and as a rule of thumb, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. If you're still leaking after that, then I'm afraid your pistol's not on for the day. But these two couple of quick simple life hacks might just save you bacon and your day's playing the following day. So they're not permanent. The best solution is replace the valve. They're not expensive. This one here you can generally get away with tightening up, but once these valves fail, they tend to leak very soon afterwards, so your best course is to replace it. But if it's all you can do, as I say, it's late in the evening, if it's the only thing that's left open to you, then it's worth giving it a go. Thanks for watching. See you soon.